Imagine walking into a room and every head turns, not because you're famous, but because people feel better just by being near you. Sound impossible? It's not magic. It's 9 forgotten habits from 1936 that still outrank any TikTok charisma hack. Dale Carnegie didn't write a book, he wrote a social cheat code. And today, we're pressing every button. Tip 1, never criticize, condemn, or complain, because criticism is a boomerang that always circles back. Think about the last time you were scolded. Did you suddenly adore the scolder, or did you mentally file them under enemy? Pilot Bob Hoover understood this. After a mechanic almost killed him with the wrong fuel, Hoover chose forgiveness over fury. The next day, he requested the same mechanic, turning shame into loyalty for life. Remember, animals learn faster with rewards. Humans are just taller puppies chasing treats called appreciation. Which brings us to tip 2, give honest, specific, and immediate appreciation. Not flattery, flattery is counterfeit, appreciation is currency. Ralph Waldo Emerson confessed, "Every person I meet is my superior in some way, so the gold is always there, you just mine it." Try this tomorrow. Compliment one coworker on a detail no one else notices. Watch their chest inflate like a balloon. Tip 3, appeal to their interests, not yours. Would you bait a hook with cheesecake because you like it? Fish hate cheesecake, and people hate conversations that taste only of you. Andrew Carnegie, yes, the steel giant, once mailed blank checks to his nephews, promising money inside, but he never enclosed it. The kids replied instantly, thanking him, asking where the cash was. Carnegie won the bet. He played to their greed, not his. Before any meeting, ask, what does this person want? Approval, relief, a laugh, enter with their favorite bait. Tip 4, become genuinely interested. Curiosity is a magnet. Dogs don't pretend. They run to the door like you're the Beatles. Be the golden retriever of conversations. Ask about their mountain climb, not yours, and they'll plant your flag on their peak. Tip 5, smile, not the Instagram kind, the I'm glad you exist kind. William B. Steinhardt, a grumpy stockbroker, tested this. He smiled at his doorman, his cashier, his rival. In 2 months, his income jumped, his wife hummed. Even the elevator felt lighter. Smiling is a silent announcement. I'm safe, you matter, come closer. Tip 6, say their name, the sweetest word in any language. Forget someone's name, you've basically told them you're forgettable. Repeat it in your head, link it to someone you love. Say it out loud within 7 seconds. Tip 7, listen, and not the waiting to talk kind, the I want to see your movie kind. Dale Carnegie once listened to a botanist for 3 hours, said maybe 20 words, and was later called the most interesting conversationalist. Because listening is the only conversation where the less you load, the more you collect. Tip 8, make them feel important, and do it sincerely. Everyone carries an invisible sign, make me feel like I matter. Let them teach you, let them win the story, let them be the hero in their own movie. Tip 9, let them talk. The more they say, the more they buy into you. Interrupt and you tip the bottle, start over. So, next time you enter a room, leave your ego at the coat check. Bring curiosity, a smile, and their name on your lips. Master these 9, and you won't chase people. People will chase the feeling you give them. If this helped, drop a comment with the tip you'll use today, and share it with one friend who thinks charisma is born, not built.